What are we supposed to do? I feel like I spend my whole summer just itching, like I've got fleas or something. I always get bitten. Even if I put the sprays on, nothing seems to work.
Yeah, so some of us are mosquito magnets, and there are many reasons why. So the first, our scent, our signature scent. So mosquitoes can actually smell the carbon dioxide that we release. They can smell it from like 50 feet away. It helps them hone in. The oils and waxes on our skin, even the bacteria on our skin, leaves a signature scent that can make us more appetizing.
So it's not like our products or our perfumes necessarily.
No, products can play a role. So they really like floral products. They don't like things like peppermint, but our scent is important. Our heat, they like it when we're warm. And so if we're working out, that makes us more appetizing. Pregnant women as well. They're breathing heavily. They're warm. Alcohol, just one beer can change our chemical signals and can make us more appetizing to mosquitoes.
Okay.
Lactic acid, things that we metabolize can make us more interesting to mosquitoes. The colors that we wear too.
The colors?
Yes.
What color should you not wear?
Black. So colors like
They like black?
Well, that explains
Oh,
it.
really?
Red, orange,
What's
white.
what's a repelling color?
White,
White.
blue, green. Those are
White,
repelling
blue, and
colors.
green?
Okay.
Okay.